Welcome to Buyer's Guide. The best RC paper airplane is probably one of the most fascinating and accessible ways to experience the joy of flight, blending the nostalgic simplicity of paper airplanes with the cutting-edge technology of remote control, offering an unparalleled blend of outdoor fun and technological engagement that appeals to both hobbyists and curious newcomers alike, promising hours of entertainment as you master its aerial maneuvers. Number 5. Matchbox 15 inches Toy Recycling Truck. Introducing the Matchbox 15-inch recycling truck, a large-scale vehicle designed for realistic play. This toy brings the world of recycling right to your child's fingertips. It features hand-activated controls for loading, dumping, and rolling. A simple lever raises the bin, allowing for easy dumping into the truck. Activate realistic sounds by pushing the vehicle forward or backward and pressing down on the lever. Press the horn above the cab to signal movement, just like a real truck. Children can unload recycling or trash, providing hours of engaging and purposeful play. It encourages imaginative scenarios and problem solving. Matchbox inspires kids to be everyday heroes with realistic vehicle replicas. This toy is equipped to get the job done, fostering a sense of accomplishment. What we like. This toy truck offers a hands-on play experience with realistic loading and dumping actions. If you have a child who loves vehicles and enjoys imaginative play that mimics real-world tasks, this is a fantastic choice. It encourages them to be everyday heroes by replicating the important job of recycling collection. What people say. This thing has held up so well and is so well loved. He's had it for 7 months now. He's played with it every day. The arm is sturdy and flexible enough that it's held up to some rough handling and still works great. The trash can that comes with it has also held up great, and he's destroyed dozens of other toy trash cans in the time he's had this truck. It has 2 volume settings and a quieter one is delightfully tolerable. My son, 2.5, loves this truck. It's easy for him to do the dumping action, unlike a lot of other trucks out there where it's a bit too tricky for a toddler to attach the cans to the truck and make it dump into the hopper. This one is sturdy and simply designed for imprecise little hands to manage. It does make noise, but they are realistic truck noises and nothing too super annoying. Number 4. POWERUP 2.0 Paper Airplane Conversion Kit. Experience flights over 30 seconds long. Our high-quality engine is designed to help you beat the world record for the longest paper airplane flight time. This kit brings everyone together for hands-on flying fun, from kids to grandparents. It's a perfect gift for birthdays and STEM learning, offering a screen-free way to explore physics. Don't worry about crashes. Our design features a carbon fiber propeller shaft and an ultra-tough rear propeller, making it virtually crash-proof for worry-free fun. Let your imagination soar. It's engineered to work with a wide variety of paper plane designs, and simple templates are included to get you started. Get back in the air quickly. This conversion kit requires only up to 20 seconds for a full charge, so you can fly more often. What we like. This kit transforms any paper airplane into a long-flying marvel. If you're looking to break flight records or simply want to experience the joy of paper airplanes for longer durations, this is for you. It's perfect for STEM enthusiasts, kids, and adults who enjoy hands-on projects and a bit of friendly competition. What people say. This thing flew over the house, back around to the side our son was on then some before crash landing. It wasn't a fluke either, this thing moves. Despite being paper, it survived numerous crash landings before finally deciding to move on to the second sheet of paper. The motor works well and is very simple to use. It can be charged, flown, and discharged quickly and easily. When we finally got our aircraft just right, we were able to get over 10 seconds of sustained flight. It is a nice addition when talking about control surfaces and their impacts on flight. As the battery starts to drain, the airplane will stall, dive, and recover, which leads to another discussion. The students enjoyed comparing the performance of the models and troubleshooting each model when it didn't behave as desired. Number 3. DEERC RC Plane 2.4 GHz RTF Glider. Experience the joy of flying with our remote control airplane. Its advanced stabilization system makes it incredibly easy to control, even for beginners. You'll be soaring in no time. Crafted from durable EPP material, this remote control glider is built to withstand landings and impacts. Enjoy a lightweight yet robust airframe for the best possible flight experience. Take command with the simple 2.4 GHz radio control system. Effortlessly maneuver in 4 directions with a control distance of up to 164 feet. No complicated channels to worry about. With dual motors and included batteries, you get ample power for impressive flights. Enjoy up to 24 minutes of flight time on a single charge, providing extended fun in the sky. Its compact size makes it ideal for flying in various outdoor spaces like yards and parks. This makes it the perfect gift for aspiring young pilots looking for their first RC adventure. What we like. This RC plane is designed with beginners in mind, featuring a stabilization system for effortless control. If you're new to RC flying or looking for a simple, enjoyable experience, this glider is ideal. Its durable build means you can learn without constant worry about crashes, making it perfect for younger pilots and casual flyers. What people say. This airplane is a great beginner plane and is easy to assemble. It flies straight and true, and is very durable. The range is impressive for its size, and it's a lot of fun to fly. Number 2. DEERC Future RC Plane 4-Channel Remote Control Jet. This remote control plane is designed with 4 channels and a 6-axis gyro system. It makes performing 3D stunts like flips and rolls incredibly easy, even for beginners. With its futuristic paint scheme and bright LED lights, this aircraft is visually stunning. It's made from durable EPP foam with a protective cover to withstand impacts, ensuring longer-lasting fun. You have 2 flexible takeoff options to suit your preferences. Launch smoothly from the ground or hand-toss it into the air for greater control and freedom. Equipped with 2 high-capacity batteries, this RC plane offers up to 30 minutes of flight time. Enjoy longer exploration and more flying excitement in the sky. Utilizing 2.4 GHz technology, it provides a stable control range of up to 500 feet. With 2 speed modes, you can enjoy interference-free flying, perfect for racing with friends. This aircraft is an excellent gift choice for both kids and adults. It offers a thrilling and accessible flying experience for everyone. What we like. This advanced RC jet offers thrilling aerobatic capabilities and a futuristic design with LED lights. If you're an intermediate pilot or a beginner looking to master stunts, this plane is an excellent choice. Its longer flight time and stable connection make it perfect for extended flying sessions and impressing onlookers with aerial maneuvers. What people say. Great training jet as it has power, ground takeoff no issues, only need 40 to 60 feet of runway space for takeoff, relatively easy to land. Despite crashing it several times, it continues to fly well with almost no damage. Each flight has at least 6 to 8 minutes flight time, which is plenty, flying with plenty of power and speed. Works really well, actually better than I thought. Easy to control and good quality. It has not broken and has crashed many times. Number 1. DEERC RC Remote Control Eagle Plane. Experience the thrill of flight with this remote control plane. Its advanced stabilization system makes it incredibly easy to control, perfect even for beginners. Crafted from EPP material, this aircraft is built to last. Its durable yet lightweight construction ensures it can withstand minor impacts while providing an excellent flying experience. Take to the skies with confidence thanks to the 2.4 GHz radio control system. Enjoy a stable connection and control it up to 500 feet away without interference. With 2 powerful motors and 2 included batteries, you can enjoy extended flight sessions. Get up to 22 minutes of airtime for double the enjoyment. This remote control bird boasts a stunning, lifelike bald eagle design. Its intricate details and vivid paint job make it look incredibly realistic as it soars through the air. Get ready for takeoff in seconds. Simply give it a gentle toss, and it will begin flying immediately, mimicking a real eagle's graceful flight. What we like. This RC plane is designed to look and fly like a real bald eagle, offering a unique and lifelike experience. If you're looking for a visually stunning RC aircraft that's easy to get airborne and provide stable flight, this is the one. It's perfect for those who appreciate realistic designs and want a captivating flying bird for beginners and adults alike. What people say. Flies and glides effortlessly. Due to the lack of moving parts, it's surprisingly durable. Impressively crash tolerant, full speed into a concrete wall, no problem. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.